Another take. We are walking out of the car into the blizzard that's happening. The snow is a blessing. You know, we thank God for it. He created it, so it has to be good. Let's check it out. Look at this. Blowing all in my face. So cold. So cold. Look at this. Look at the tire tracks I made. Oh, do you feel the wind? Oh, look at this. All the cars covered in snow, wind and snow. It's just scary for certain people. Ah, it's so cold. Let's go inside. I'm getting snow in my shoes. I'm so cold. I'm walking backwards just not to have the snow in my face. Oh, it's so windy. Oh. Whoa, so cold, so cold. Look at this. Wow. I like it, but it's too cold. I can't stay in it. Whoa. Okay, wind. You need to be cool. You're blowing a little too hard. The snow is just blowing everywhere, huh? Close the door. Like you own the place. Go outside and I'll see if you do not knock like that. They send you home? No, everyone left. What do you mean? It's like only 5 people left. 2 managers and 3 employees. Actually, yeah.
If I want that money, I'd stay there and just covered. So I'm guessing I'm taking the car.
You know what? Mom said it's cool. Once they get the lights back on, they are going to close. I know that.
Why?
There's no one to work in the grill. Everything.
Is anybody gonna get paid for this day? I need the moolah.
Okay.
Unless you want to take it off your check, I'll give it to you. I'll put it to good use. It's really not a day off, nigga. You were gone for 4 hours. 4 hours.
Oh, for 3 hours.
It's 12.
8 to 11.
It's 12.
Well, coming back took a while because of the snow. I put on my PJs. Wait, is the video still recording? Where is it?
What video?
With the phone. Hand it to me. I was doing a video on the blizzard happening outside. Yeah. Oh, did the camera die?
Put it outside?